Okay, so now where we're at is we're at our demo showcasing our new ClearPlex Contour. The new features and benefits of this film are that it is a much easier to heat shrink and install film that maintains all of the same superior features and benefits of our original film, like the superior optical clarity, longevity, scratch resistance, and stain resistance. So we've been working on this film for a couple of years, and our goal and our objective was to come out with a product that would provide our dealers with a more efficient installation that didn't compromise any of the features or benefits that are important to consumers. Because ultimately, a customer doesn't care how a film gets on their car, they just want that film to perform the best. We knew that our original ClearPlex outperformed the competition in all of the areas important to customers, but we did understand that there were aspects of the installation that could be improved. So we've done that with this film. We've maintained all of the features and benefits critical to your customers to ensure that we're still delivering the best windshield protection film on the market while delivering a product that helps a dealer be more successful, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. So I'm gonna do a little bit of shrinking demos to show that what we've done is we've created a film that responds to heat and heat shrinks much more like your traditional automotive window tint. So what this means is our installers are seeing dramatic improvements to their total installation time, and ultimately allows them to be more successful and faster at onboarding new installers. So that means they can scale their windshield protection business much faster, much more economically, be more successful, and ultimately be more profitable and earn more revenue. All right, so we're wrapped up with this ClearPlex Contour demo. We hope you saw the improved installation aspects of the film. The feedback that we received is wonderful and unanimous, that we've made a film and delivered a film that answers the dealer's need for an easier to install product that maintains all of the important features and benefits for the end consumer. So we're all wrapped up here. We're looking forward to finishing this SEMA 2024 on a high note. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.